Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's lesson is for anyone who feels mentally tired, emotionally drained, and trapped by other people's opinions. Let me ask you something very honestly. Do you think about what others say for hours or even days? Feel guilty when you rest? Say yes, even when you are exhausted. Fear being judged, worry about being misunderstood. If this is you, then this video is not just a lesson, it is a wake up call because caring too much is not kindness. Caring too much is losing yourself. Today, we will talk about what caring too much really is, why we do it, how it damages our life, how to stop it, and how to protect your peace and live freely. Stay until the end because the last part will change how you see yourself. Part 1. What does caring too much look like in real life? Caring too much appears in small daily moments. For example, you send a message and think, why haven't they replied? Did I say something wrong? Are they angry with me? You post something online and check your phone every 5 minutes. Someone speaks to you with a bad tone and you feel sad all day. You feel responsible for fixing everyone's problems. You apologized even when you did nothing wrong. This is not peace. This is emotional stress. Caring too much means you place other people's opinions above your own. You let their moods control your happiness. You live for acceptance instead of truth, and slowly you forget yourself. Part 2. Where does this habit come from? Most people don't choose to care too much. They learn it. Childhood conditioning. Many of us grew up hearing, be a good child. Don't talk back. Don't disappoint your parents. People will judge you. What will others say? So we learn love equal approval, safety equal pleasing others, oath equal being liked. We become adults who are afraid of rejection. Society and social media. Social media trains your brain to seek validation. Likes equal success. Comments equal happiness. Views equal confidence. But this is a dangerous lie. Your value is not digital. Your worth is not public opinion. Part 3. The hidden damage of caring too much. Let's talk about what this habit really costs you. Number 1. You lose your identity when you care too much. You become what others want, not who you are. You don't know what you want, what you believe, what you need. You only know what will make others happy. Number 2, you feel emotionally exhausted. You carry other people's anger, other people's sadness, other people's expectations. Your heart becomes tired, your mind becomes happy. This leads to anxiety, overthinking, stress, low confidence. Number 3, you attract the wrong people when you have no boundaries. Some people will use you, control you, take advantage of your kindness. They don't respect you, they respect your silence. Number 4, you become afraid to live. You don't speak your truth. You don't take risks. You don't follow your dreams because you fear judgment, failure, criticism. This is not living, this is surviving. Part 4, how to stop caring too much. Now comes the most important part. Step 1, build emotional boundaries. A boundary is emotional protection. It means you don't answer every message immediately. You don't fix everyone's problems. You don't allow disrespect. You don't over explain. Examples: I need time to think. I'm not comfortable with that. I can't do this today. No apology, no drama, just truth. Step 2. Stop overthinking everything. Ask yourself, is this fact or is this fear? Most thoughts are fear. They hate me. I embarrassed myself. I looked stupid. But where is the proof? Your mind lies when it is afraid. Train your brain. If it's not important, tomorrow release it today. Step 3. Learn to be alone without feeling lonely. When you stop caring too much, some people will leave. This is normal. Solitude is not punishment, it is clarity. In silence, you discover your thoughts, your goals, your strength. Part 5. What a free person looks like. A free person doesn't beg for approval, doesn't chase attention, doesn't explain everything, chooses peace over drama, respects themselves. They are calm, they are confident, they are emotionally independent. Let me end with this. You were not born to carry everyone's expectations. You were born to live your own life. Stop caring too much about what they think. Start caring deeply about what you feel. This is not selfish. This is self love. This is wisdom. This is strength. If this lesson touched your heart, like this video, comment I choose peace, share with someone who needs this message, subscribe.